Ma'am.
Okay. So, hello everyone. And I'm really happy. At least you all, I think 20 of you all have made yourself come here. And my name is Sindhu. And I'll be today taking the topics on uh, first impression. And actually, we all say that first impression is the last impression, right? So that plus brand. So before we start, with your permission, may I introduce myself?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. So me, I've been in the corporate industry for more than 16 years. And then after that, I have started training. So in training, I do facilitate, I do soft skills training. I also do English language. And I have recently started with Posh. All these are few. And now I'm stepping into a coaching, that is life coach or transformation coach. So this is my journey. And yes, why I have taken this after my 16 years of corporate life is because during my journey, I've always seen that I was helping out people or I used to guide people. So I said, why don't I take it as a profession? And that's how I landed up. So this is a simple about me. And are you all comfortable with language, what I'm speaking?
Yes,
Or you
ma'am.
speak Tamil and English? Tanglish. I think that's right. Yeah?
My language is comfortable.
Okay, thank you so much. Because my Tamil will be not very good like what you all speak, because I'm not from here. So yeah, that's a different story. So now I want you all to relax, be comfortable, and come on video so that I can see your beautiful and handsome faces. When you're doing that, I also need to know your name, from where you are, and what else you can tell me about yourself. Um, like, if you had some superpowers, what would you like to have? So can you all start introducing yourselves? So who is going first? And please come on video. I'm looking at only the images and your logos, your names. I don't know. I don't know how you look. I would like to see you all. See, I would like to see your beautiful faces. I'm waiting for you. Yes, that's nice. Everybody would like to see each other.
Anak mình nè.
So who's going to start introducing yourself? Tell me your name. I know your names are there, but yes, from where you are and what is one of the superpowers you would like to have? Should I select or y'all are going to tell on your own?
I will say first.
Okay.
So myself is Alsamet and I am from Chengalpet. The superpower I want is I want to be the intelligent person in all over the world because I like.
You're on mute. You're on mute.
Sorry,
I
sorry.
heard only till Iron Man. After that, you became.
Yeah. I love Iron Man, so I want to be like intelligent person over all the world so that I can design any AI and have some fun on that.
Okay, nice. So I'll call you Iron Man now instead of Alsmut. Alsmut, right?
Yes, Alsamet.
Nice to know you. Nice to know you. Thank you. Yes. Now next. Priyadarshini, because I can see the names first starting. So yeah, Priyadarshini, you can go ahead.
My name is Priyadashini and coming from Old Vasanapet. My superpower is positive thinking.
I'm sorry, from where are you coming?
Old version in Chennai.
Okay. And what is the superpower you want?
Positive thinking.
Okay, nice, nice. That's really everybody needed. Nice, Priyadarshini. Thank you. Who is next? Only two.
Hi, Sindhu.
Who is this?
This is Priyama. Vanakkam.
Vanakkam, ma'am.
Nagolad founder Kanna. Can I just take? Can I just
Sure,
take 5 minutes? 5 minutes.
Yes, you can.
பசங்களா எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். எனக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் விஷயம் என்னன்னா, அவங்க நம்மளுக்காக நேரம் கொடுக்க வந்திருக்காங்க. அவங்க வீடியோ ஆன் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்காங்க. அவங்க நம்ம கிட்ட பேசிக்கிட்டு இருக்காங்க. நம்ம இன்னும் 2 நாள்ல இன்டர்வியூ போக போறோம். நம்ம வந்து வீடியோ எல்லாம் ஆஃப் பண்ணி வச்சு மியூட்ல வச்சு உட்கார்ந்துட்டு என்ன பண்றதுக்காக உட்கார்ந்துருக்கோம்னு எனக்கு தெரியல. சோ அதனால ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எல்லாரும் மேக் ஷூர் யூ ஓபன் யுவர் வீடியோ. அவங்கவுங்க வீடியோஸ் ஆன் பண்ணுங்க. அவங்கவுங்க போனை வந்து அன்மியூட் பண்ணுங்க. அவங்க என்ன கேள்வி கேட்கிறாங்களோ அதுக்கு ரெஸ்பாண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. 2 நாள்ல நம்மளுக்கு இன்டர்வியூ இருக்கு. நம்மளுக்கு நிறைய நேரம் கிடையாது. அண்ட் எந்த மென்டரும் உட்கார்ந்து ஃபுல் டே உங்க கூட பேசிட்டு இருக்க மாட்டாங்க. அவங்க கொடுக்குற அந்த 1 ஹவரை கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்டிவா பர்பஸ்ஃபுல்லா அவங்க டைமை வேஸ்ட் பண்ணாம நம்ம டைமை வேஸ்ட் பண்ணாம கரெக்டா யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. நீங்க வாயே துறக்காம உட்கார்ந்துட்டே இருக்கிறதுக்கு இப்ப இவ்வளவு மீட்டிங் போட்டு ஓகேவா? சோ எனக்கு ஒரு வீடியோ கூட ஆஃப் ஆக கூடாது. ஏன்னா நீங்க என்ன பண்றீங்க அப்படிங்கறது தெரிஞ்சாதான் பேசுறவங்களுக்கு அவங்க என்ன சொல்ல வராங்கங்கிறது கன்வே ஆகும். ஓகேவா? நீ ரோட்ல இருந்தாலும் சரி, பஸ்ல இருந்தாலும் சரி, ட்ரெயின்ல இருந்தாலும் சரி, நெவர் மைண்ட், ஹெட்போன் போட்டுக்கோ, வீடியோஸ் ஆன் பண்ணி வை. 2வது விஷயம், எல்லாருமே அந்த வாட்ஸ்அப் குரூப்ல இருக்கீங்க. அந்த வாட்ஸ்அப் குரூப்ல இன்னைக்கு நைட்டுக்குள்ள டெல் அபவுட் யுவர் செல்ஃப், அவங்களோட ரெஸ்யூம் ஆல்ரெடி நம்ம போன நாட்வெஸ்ட் இன்டர்வியூ அப்போ ரெஸ்யூம் ரெடி பண்ண சொன்னாங்க. பண்ணீங்களான்னு எனக்கு தெரியல. சோ ரெஸ்யூம் இருந்ததுன்னா அந்த ரெஸ்யூமை ரெடி பண்ணிக்கோ. ரெஸ்யூம் இல்லைன்னா டெல் அபவுட் யுவர் செல்ஃப கொஞ்சம் தெளிவா அவங்கவுங்க பேசி வீடியோ ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணி எனக்கு குரூப்ல அனுப்புறீங்க. புரியுதா? புரிஞ்சுதா? அவங்க இப்ப கேக்குறதே உங்க பசங்க டெஸ்ட்ல செலக்ட் ஆகலைன்னா பரவாயில்ல, அவங்க எவ்வளவு கான்பிடென்ட்டா இருக்காங்க, எவ்வளவு தைரியமா இருக்காங்க, எவ்வளவு ஃபேஸ் பண்றாங்க அப்படிங்கறத மட்டும்தான் நம்மளுக்கு இப்ப கொடுத்திருக்கிற ஒரே, இது வந்து செகண்ட் ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி. அதனால தயவு செய்து இதுக்கு மேலயுமே ஸ்பூன் ஃபீட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டே இருக்க முடியாது. சோ உங்க கையில அடுத்த பால் வந்தாச்சு. நாளைக்கு அந்த 1/2 ஹவர்ல ஜூம் மீட்டிங்ல நீ எவ்வளவு அவங்களை இம்ப்ரெஸ் பண்றேங்கிறத பொறுத்துதான் உன்னோட கரியர், உன்னோட ஃபியூச்சர். ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோ. திரும்பவும் சொல்றேன், 4 லட்சம் பேக்கேஜுங்கிறது இன்னைக்கு 40,000 ரூபாய் இல்ல 35,000 ரூபாய் ஸ்டார்டிங் பேக்கேஜ் அப்படிங்கிறது ஒரு 3-4 வருஷம் சர்வீஸ் போட்டவங்களுக்கு தான் இந்த பேக்கேஜ் கிடைக்கும். அது இனிஷியலா அதை தாண்டி நாட்வெஸ்ட் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு பெரிய பெரிய பிரம்மாண்டமான ஒரு 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 பேனருக்குள்ள நீ போயிட்டீன்னா உன் லைஃப் செட்டில். அப்போ அதுக்கு தேவைன்னா நாங்க திருப்பி திருப்பி தொந்தரவு பண்ணிக்கிட்டே உங்களை இருக்கக்கூடாது. நீங்க எங்க கிட்ட கேட்கணும், நாங்க என்ன பண்ணணும் இந்த 2 நாளைக்கு எங்களுக்கு சொல்லுங்க, நாங்க கத்துக்கிறோம், நான் பேசி அனுப்புறேன், நீங்க ஆடியோவோ வீடியோவோ கேட்டுட்டு எங்களுக்கு நீங்க சொல்லுங்க என்னென்னலாம் மாத்திக்கணும்னு. 3 நாள் போரும், 3 மணி நேரம் போதும் உன்னை நீ சரி பண்ணிக்கிறதுக்கு. ஆனா அந்த ஃபயர் எங்களுக்கு பதைக்குது. ஐயோ 3 நாள் இருக்க பிள்ளைங்க என்ன பண்றாங்கன்னு தெரியலன்னு. இன்னும் அந்த ஃபயர் உங்களுக்கு இருக்கான்னு தெரியல. திரும்ப திரும்ப சொல்றேன், வீடியோ ரெடி பண்ணி டாக் அபவுட் யுவர் செல்ஃப், உன்னை பத்தி பேசிட்டு அதை வீடியோ ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணி நீயே போட்டு பாரு, எங்களுக்கு திருப்பியும் அனுப்பிவிடு. அதை நாங்க பார்த்துட்டு என்னென்னலாம் ஃபைன் டியூன் பண்ணிக்கணும் அப்படிங்கறத பண்ணிக்கலாம். அதே மாதிரி ஒரு 10-15 கேள்வி இப்போ சிந்து மேடம் சொன்ன மாதிரி அவங்க கேள்வி கேட்ட உடனே எல்லாரும் கை தூக்கணும். நான் சொல்றேன் நீ சொல்றேன்னு அவங்க நம்ம பேர் சொல்லக்கூடாது. நம்ம வந்து எனக்கு டைம் கொடுங்க, எனக்கு ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி கொடுக்குங்க, நான் பேசணும்னு அதைத்தான் அவங்க எதிர்பார்ப்பாங்க. ஒரு இன்டர்வியூவர் என்ன எதிர்பார்ப்பாங்கன்னா, எவ்வளவு நீயா பேசுற, நீயா எவ்வளவு இன்வால்வ் ஆகுறங்கிறது மட்டும்தான் எதிர்பார்ப்பாங்க. சோ அதனால நான் இங்க பாத்துக்கிட்டே இருப்பேன். அடுத்த வாட்டி அவங்க கேள்வி கேட்கும் போது இங்க எல்லா குழந்தைகளும் ரவுண்ட்ல அவங்கவுங்க பதில் சொல்லணும். சோ ஆல் மை பெஸ்ட் விஷஸ். தேங்க்யூ சிந்து so much. Sorry for interrupting. எனக்கு
no,
வீடியோ
that's
ஆஃப் ஆக கூடாது, ஆடியோ எல்லாரும் பதில் சொல்லணும். நான் திரும்ப வருவேன் இன்னொரு 10 மினிட்ஸ் கழிச்சு. சரியா? ஒருத்தங்க நம்மளுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ண வந்திருக்காங்கன்னா நம்ம எப்படி அவங்களுக்கு மரியாதை கொடுக்குறோமோ அதை பொறுத்து தான் அவங்க நம்ம கூட கண்டினியூஸா டிராவல் பண்ணுவாங்க. கரெக்டா? ஸ்டூடெண்ட் கேர் ஸ்வேதாக்கா, கரெக்ட் தானே?
கரெக்ட் தான்மா.
ஓகே, லவ் யூ ஆல். தேங்க் யூ சிந்து, சாரி ஃபார் இன்டரப்டிங் இன் தி மிடில்.
no,
Love
that's
you.
absolutely fine. Love
Bye
you.
bye.
Bye. Okay, so welcome back. So let's, apart from Priyadarshini and Alsmat, let's start with the others. Okay, you all can hear me? At least tell yes first. I want a big loud noise from everyone.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Everyone
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, like what Priya ma'am said, you're in a bus, you're in anywhere, mute yourself, but I would like to see you all. If you're anywhere outside, just put your hands up telling me that you're outside. Anybody's outside? Okay. So Pooja and Lavanya is out, right? And who is this? Who else is Akash?
Ma'am. Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine. Okay,
Okay.
sure. But can you keep a video? Akash, can you keep a video? Are you able to keep a video while you're
Ma'am, but my
Video?
video is but not clear, ma'am.
okay, fine. Okay,
I'm in traffic area, ma'am.
okay. How long will it take you to reach back home?
Oh, 10 minutes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. After that, you come back on call. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you.
Ma'am, I will continue, ma'am. I use my headphones, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now the remaining who are there, please start introducing yourself.
Hello, ma'am. This is Shweta Vishwanathan. I'm from Korattur, and I want a superpower like I want to change this world. Like I want to be a kingmaker, like that.
Yeah. The Kingmaker, you have seen the movie Kingmaker?
No, ma'am. Like I have aspired like Kamarajar sir.
Oh,
Like
okay. Okay, fine. Okay. Nice. Nice.
Thank you.
Next. Next.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
I'm Asif.
Okay.
How are you, ma'am?
Sorry.
How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I want superpower time travel.
Time travel.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
But what will you do with time travel?
There are several things, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, fine. So you can travel up and down, huh? Future,
Yes,
past,
ma'am.
present, everywhere. Okay. Nice. Yes. Who is next? Who is next? See, we have almost been now 7:25. So we have lost 25 minutes. We haven't completed our introduction. I want only, how many? 21 people? 20 people are there? I think only 4 of them have introduced, 16 more. We finish fast. We can learn a lot.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay. Yes.
Am I audible? Yeah.
Yeah, you're audible, but
This is Yogesh.
Yogesh. Okay. Yes, Yogesh.
This is Yogesh Verma, and I want a superpower like a photo brain.
I'm sorry, what?
Picture brain, ma'am.
Oh, photographic memory. I mean, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. Nice. Nice, nice.
Thank you.
Okay. Next.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm Akshaya from Trichy. I want a superpower is invisible power, ma'am.
Okay. You're quite young, but have you heard about Mr. India movie? Mr.
Ma'am?
India, it's a Hindi movie, Mr. India.
No, ma'am.
So sometimes we just watch the movie. It's also a little related to being invisible. So anytime you get time, just watch Mr. India. Nice,
Okay, ma'am.
nice. Next. Thank you, Achya. Who is next?
I'm Reshwati from Chennai, and I'm pursuing BCom CS, and I'm also in a part of NCC and Irving, so that I need to attend more camps and all, ma'am. Also, I'm having some part-time jobs to go. So if I had a additional power now, I would rather go for stealing time, ma'am, because sometimes by stealing time I can manage my studies, camps, and everything, and also if some people may wasting their valuable time. So if I had a power, I also steal their time too, ma'am, to make a better use of it.
Okay, okay. Nice. And I'm really surprised that you have taken a NCC and you're in Airwing. You're really doing a great job. Nice to know that, Reshwanti. Thank you.
Thank
I
you.
hope you achieve all your dreams. Next. Kalaivani, Kavita, who else?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I'm Kavita, ma'am. I'm
Okay.
coming from Kolattur, Nandavanam. My superpower is adaptability.
Okay. Getting adapted anywhere you want, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, Kavita. Next.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes,
This is
Kalaiv.
Vishal.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Kalaivani and I'm from Coimbatore. I need a superpower like mind reading.
Okay. Nice. Thank you, Kalaivani. You can read everybody's mind. So then you don't have you can talk accordingly, no? Next.
Ma'am,
Yes, Akash.
I'm Akash. I'm from Trichy, ma'am.
Okay.
My superpower is to erase human memories, ma'am.
Dinesh, mute, please. Yeah, Akash, you said what superpower?
To erase humans' memories, ma'am.
My God. Why? Okay. But you should be realizing something. Erase at least bad memories, not good memories.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Nice. Nice. Who
Okay,
else?
Hello, ma'am. This
Everybody,
is
ma'am.
Vishal.
Okay. Yes, next.
Hello, ma'am. This is Vishal from Trichy. Am I
Yes.
audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Ma'am, I want a superpower like teleportation
Okay.
because
Why?
it reduces many time and many things. We don't
Okay.
want a passport to travel anywhere in the world.
Yes. And you don't need to take air flight tickets, which is just booming up and up.
Yeah, anything.
Yes. Nice, nice. Okay. When you all get these superpowers, now please call me. I'll join you.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. Yes. Who is next? Dinesh. Dinesh?
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Yes. Now introduce yourself, please.
So myself Dinesh, and I'm pursuing my BTech Information Technology third year in Rajalakshmi Engineering College.
Okay.
So that's about myself.
Okay. And superpower? You don't want?
So for superpower, like Vishal said, teleporting will be easy because traveling much time will be less. So
Yeah, okay. So it's something related to physics. So you all can work on that. Physics and AI and everything. Yes. Next. Shri Ganesh. Did Ranjit, Yuva Shri introduce themselves? Praveena. Mahesh. Lavanya. Sugandhi. Please introduce yourself. Okay, it's almost 7:30. In between, I'll be introducing. I don't know why you all are not really wanting to do, but this is really going to affect. Okay. Today I saw a video, but I'll not show you the video and all. It is just said that your future is what you are. We all go to see that Jyotish. What is going to happen? What you have to do? What you not should do? So we go to Jyotish and ask them. Jyotish only you'll tell. We tell in Tamil, right? Who sees our Jadagam? Who sees our Jadagam? So we all run to them to ask them, what is my future holding? Will I become successful? Will I grow up? Will I do this? Will I do that? But have you all really thought what we see, what we look in is only in our hands? So please don't, because you're curious, because you're anxious about what to happen, you'll all go to that place. But more than that, it is ourselves. Namada, we have to be always careful on what we are doing. So we'll come to the topic back. So our topic is basically first impression. So building your personal image, that is the power of first impression and perception. So now I would like to ask you a question, or I will say today's session is basically to tell you what it is important and why it is important, how image management, that is basically, it affects your interaction, your academic, your professionals, everywhere. This image really creates a great effect on that. And then we'll give you a little bit tips how you can go forward. Okay. So now can you all come out and tell me what according to you is first impression?
Ma'am, that's the appearance of the person, or and also the way of talking, the way of approaching of the person. I think so.
Okay. Fine. Anybody else will have any other concept or idea, something different you want to say?
From my perspective, the point is when we have a group of peoples and one person who is going to initialize or volunteer himself at the first will get a good impression, I think so.
Okay. Fine. That is also true. Anybody else?
Body
Okay.
language.
Okay, right. Ismat, I would like to tell you one more thing. When you say people, people is a group of people. We never add S in that, okay? Okay, so when you speak, don't add S for peoples. It's not peoples, it's people only, okay? Yes, right? Your body language. What else?
It's the way of presenting ourselves to others, ma'am. So like the way
Okay.
of communication,
Okay.
appearance, and also attitude and all that.
Okay. Now we have almost 20 people here. So I want to take now like take Reshwanti and Alsmat. Y'all are going to, I'm going to give you all a task and I want this way to finish. In 2 minutes, everybody has to introduce themselves. Okay. This is one of the activities. Y'all, whatever y'all are saying is all right because how you create your first. But now I want a task. Pair each other, or you want me to pair each other. I'm not sure, but yeah. So what you're going to do is introduce yourself using your appropriate tone and words, and just tell them that you have gone for a formal meeting or a casual hangout or a business interview. You'll have gone and you'll are introducing each other. Can you all do that in 5 minutes? It's 7:35. By 7:40, we need to finish it. Can you all introduce? Let me see how you all introduce yourself. So come on, pair up. Y'all all can see the names, so y'all can call out and just introduce yourself.
Just repeat what you said, ma'am.
Okay, I'll tell it slowly. I'm sorry. 2 people, as I said, Reshwanti and Alsmat. Y'all are meeting each other as a business interview or a formal event, and you are introducing to Reshwanti. Reshwanti is introducing herself to you. So use how you are going to use your words, tones, how you use that, your body language, even if it is on a call. If it is a formal event, now as a meeting we are doing, I want you all to introduce yourself. And I need to finish it very fast, okay? So whoever is pairing up, please, could you all do that? Who will start? Anybody can start. I want, okay, this session is not one way, it is two way. If it is one way, I can just give you some notes and just finish this off. And I don't want Priya ma'am to come again and tell you all something. So please, this is a two-way interaction and not one-way interaction. And usually my sessions are always two-way. Clear?
What the things we want to communicate with the person, ma'am?
Nothing. As I said, you are on a formal meeting, casual hangout, any one of the events. Or you are in a social activity, you have gone there to meet somebody and you meet Reshwanti and okay, why I'm calling you and Reshwanti is because your names are really on my screen on top. So you go introduce yourself. How will you introduce yourself? Both of you have to introduce each other. So use appropriate words, body language, and your tone. So start. We finished 2 minutes. From 35, it's come to 37. Reshwanti, are you there? Reshwanti, you and Alsmat start off.
Ma'am, I like that we are meeting first time, just I can mention her name or not?
Nothing. As I said, you and Reshwanti, you all are just talking to each other. That's it. Like how and me and you are talking, you and Reshwanti are talking. That's it.
Okay, okay. Yes. Hi, myself, Alsamat, and I came here for attending a meeting, volunteering, and having a sorry, yes, again. Hi, myself, Alsamat. I came here for attending a meeting, representing my company. Can I know why you came here?
Nice to meet you, Asama. I'm basically pursuing BCom corporate technology. Basically, I'm doing professional course based upon company secretary. So I came in this meeting to tune myself how to be more attentive and how to be how to make self improvement based upon these systems. So I came here. Then tell me about your goals or anything else.
Okay. Thank you, Alsmat and Reshwanti. Now next, Yogeshwar and Shweta. Please start introducing yourself. Y'all are in an event and y'all are meeting each other. How do you introduce yourself?
Hi, this is Shweta Vishwanathan. I'm from Korattur. I have came to this meeting to interact with people and learn some new things. May I know about yourself?
Yeah, hi Shweta. Yeah, my name is myself Yogeshwar, and I'm come about here to present my project. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Can I know?
Yeah, that's fine. That's absolutely fine. Now we'll go to Acha and Dinesh. As the names are coming, I'm just putting in y'all, okay? Acha and Dinesh, please introduce yourself.
Hello. So I'm Dinesh. I'm here to came for a meeting for my project presentation for a startup meet. So can I let you know what your purpose for coming?
Hello, Dinesh. I'm Akshaya. I too come here for presenting my project like you.
Okay. Thank you. Kavita and Priyadarshini.
Hi, I'm Priyadrishti. I'm coming from Niti. I know the first step. Tell us.
I'm Kavita. I'm coming from Kolattur Nandavaram. I'm pursuing basic computer science.
Okay. Now who is next? Vishal and Praveena.
Yes, ma'am. I am Praveena. Hello, Vishal. I am Praveena. Ma'am, can I audible?
Yes, Praveena, you are audible.
Oh, thank you. Hi, Vishal. I am Praveena. I am from Perambur, Chennai. I came here to present my presentation. So, what is the purpose to came here?
Hello, Praveena. I am Vishal from Trichy. I'm also come for to present my project in the big stage and to get the exposure on the stage.
Okay. Now everybody is going to answer me. What did you all find in Praveena and Vishal's something different? What did you all find? Anybody can tell me that? Very particular, and it's really very, you can see it. You're introducing yourself, you don't know the other person's name. Though you can see your Vishal, you don't know that person's name. So when you're introducing, be careful when you're talking. You don't know. That is one thing which I found a mistake. But apart from that, I don't know the others. Pooja, Lavanya. Okay, they are not. So I don't know. Okay, now as the introduction has been done, I would like to understand what did you all find when others were introducing themselves and when you were introducing yourself? What was it that you were finding? What you all felt? Quick, you all can answer. Anybody can answer. I'm not waiting for anybody. You have your seat. You talk out. It's good.
In my conversation, I find out that she is introducing her briefly, and I introduced just some points. Like I didn't mention any points, just mentioned that I came from a company for representing them. But she explained some brief so that I can get to know about her clearly. So this is the point which I get to know in my conversation.
Okay, nice. Yes. Anybody else? How about the others? Apart from you yourself, uh, who else? The others. What is your viewpoint on others? How was the impression? If you were looking into their impression, how will you feel? So, okay. I will not ask questions as of now. So what I would like to tell you is when you are introducing yourself, it's always a different greeting. Hi, hello, good evening, good afternoon, whatever it is. That is how. And when you are doing introduction, I know it could be because we are on a session, so you all might be feeling it a little awkward, but be confident. Okay. Image management needs confidence when you are talking, because it reflects over there. So when in our further session, I'll tell you about it. So introducing, how you introduce, explore a lot of ways how you're going to present yourself. Why I chose the topic as branding and impression, because both are related. Okay. So usually first impression shapes your opinions quickly. Now, when I came online, I think Vishal was there. I don't know how many, Praveena, I don't know. I don't remember, but a few of them were there. The moment I turned on my video, what was your first impression? At least answer this, somebody, whoever were there online. Because you all saw me online, but I don't know how many would have created. Or when I started talking also, you all would have had an impression. What was it? Okay, next question. Answer that. How many minutes will it take for you to create a first impression?
Just a milliseconds.
2 or 3 minutes.
Okay, nice, Dinesh. Okay. Who else?
It depends on the person.
Okay. What else?
Probably 1
It
minute.
depends on
Okay.
1 or 2 minutes.
how we are going to introduce ourselves. It depends that.
No, not the introduction. I'm talking about creating a first impression.
Maybe 3 to 4 seconds. That's enough.
Okay. Anybody else?
Less
5
than
to
a
10
minute.
minutes.
I'm sorry?
Less than a minute.
Not clear. Sorry, not clear.
He said less
Less
than a
than a
minute,
minute.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Within a millisecond is what you're trying to say? Yes or no?
Ma'am, less
No.
than a minute. I said
Okay.
less than a minute.
Okay. So yes, absolutely. Because first impression takes only 3 to 7 seconds. The moment you enter that room, the way you come, the way you walk, the way you talk, everything within 3 to 7 seconds, people start creating an impression. Can you just give me a minute? 1 second. I won't take a minute. I'm on a session. I'll call you back. I'm on a session. I'll call you back. Sorry for that. Yeah. So it takes only 3 minutes. So all these things, when you are going to create, now you all are in the college last years, where you all are going to create, you all are going to come out from the college life and you all are entering into the corporate industry. It's not only during the corporate industry, but each and every place you create an impression. Now tell me, when you go with your parents for a function, for a marriage, or anywhere you go to your relative's place, they tell, your parents will tell, their children are very nice, so good he is, he looks nice, he's taking care, everything. But your parents will never tell you are nice. But they will, the other people's parents will tell they are all nice. Yes or no? How many are going for yes? Just put your hands up. What I said is true? So majority is going for yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Absolutely. Our parents will never see our impression because they know what we are true. But others, they have that impression, oh, this child is so nice. He's so silent. He's so, so obedient. He's obediently sitting. He's listening to his parents. Everything is nice. So you are very good in their eyes. So this is all first impression. It's not only in the families. Even when you go for social events, even when you go for corporate, this impression is always there. So I'm not going to share I'll share a few things right now. Who is the, I think, who's the host? Please, could you allow me to share? Who is going to do the, who's going to give me the permission to share this?
Access given, ma'am. Your co-host now.
Thank you. So image management, and it's an institute, I mean, it's a organization, or you would say it's a company, small company, which we started, which is called as Flossom Image. Flossom means everybody has flaws. Okay. There is nobody who doesn't have a flaw. Right? Even diamond has a flaw. Correct? So image is, nobody is perfect. So that's why she named it as Flossom Image. So now from this, which dish will you choose? Which one would you choose?
First one.
First one.
The first
First
one.
one.
Okay. From this, which driver will you choose for yourself?
First one.
First one.
This one, right? This one, right? Now this one. Which leader would you prefer?
Second one.
Right one.
Okay. Now, which employee would you choose?
Second one.
Second one.
I think second one.
This one. Okay. Which one you would want as a friend?
Second one.
Second one.
First,
No, do you don't
First
want
one.
this to be?
first one.
First one, ma'am.
First one.
Okay. So what did you do now?
Compare between two of them.
Okay. So they created an impression and you said you are going to have only this because they look nice, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So people make their decision within 6 seconds of meeting. So did you need seconds? No, you never needed a second. The moment you saw the picture, the moment you felt, yeah, this looks good, we felt. So it's always, you feel good when you meet a person. So in a few seconds, people decide everything about you or about the other person. So how you approach? So you approach that person or you avoid that person? Authority. Does that person has an authority? Intelligence, age, financial success, trustworthiness, personality, candidature for job or promotion. Even the HRs would be looking into it. So what do I want someone to remember about me? What can I create the first impression and how do I want to be perceived? These are few questions which you have to ask or you would be asking yourself. Right? So this is the first impression. The triangle you see, this is you. How you create a first impression? There is a stranger on one side and there is a situation on one side. So this is how you create within the whole triangle. So the situation is where the stranger will maximize the benefit and minimize the pain. This is all. But what main thing is your appearance, how you behave, how you communicate with people, how you dress, and the etiquette. Etiquette means it's not only the mannerism. Etiquette is a mannerism, how you walk, how you talk, how you carry yourself. Lot of elegance has to be there in this. So these all things, that is A, B, C, D, E, all the A, B, C, D, E of creating impression is your appearance, behavior, communication, dressing, and etiquette. Clear? So when you dress, so what does the dress communicate to you? They are professional. Yes. I would like you all to answer me.
They are professionals.
Yes. Now next. So they have always, so now when you go for an interview, when you go for a marriage, when you're going for a place, somewhere nice, even if you're going for a movie, what do? You always wear iron clothes, be comfortable, whatever comfort clothes are there, you do that. Girls try to, even boys, it's not girls alone, even boys try to impress people. Yes, all this is needed. But when you're doing that, we have these 5 A's which you have to be very careful. How appropriate you have to be. You have to be very authentic. You have to be attractive. Being attractive does not mean to wear all bright colors and go. And you need to go and buy some H&M clothes or something very high quality. Even in affordable prices, you have to buy those dresses and be very comfortable. Don't go to spend 10,000 rupees for just a simple clothing. There are even lesser ones which you can afford. Accessorize. Now, when you're accessorizing it, for girls specifically, I would like to say don't wear, when you're in your professional, don't wear big dangles, lot of chains, where people's attention go towards them instead of looking at you. So minimize your accessories over there. Now, when you're appropriately dressed, comb your hair, don't oil your hair and go. Be it boys or girls, don't put oil and stand over there. It's like all chipku type it will be. So don't do that. But that doesn't mean you have to shampoo and your hair has to grow up. It has to go like that. Nothing like that. So you need to be very careful when you are dressing yourself. So here, these are the 5 A's which you have to be very careful about. Okay. So the 5 A's: look like yourself, the way you want to be seen, and how you are going to feel. Okay. So that is authentic. Look like you belong. So like the way you know what you are. So that is, you are appropriate. So what I was talking to you about. Look pleasant, nothing about your appearance. So you need to look attractive. So it should not be, as I said, disturbing. As I said, wearing that, this, all those stuff where you're going to make all printed type of shirts or something very, where people would wear for some outings, parties, not like that. You have to be very attractive, but with minimal things. Look like you're having fun, but whatever you get for your budget. As I said, yes, be in budget and go. Look royal, add simple accessories to your stuff. Now, this is the concept of zones. Again, when you are meeting people, even in the interviews or wherever you are standing for the interviews, this is one circle. Now, you see the public circle is at the last most. Okay. Social zone is around 3 meters, 3.5 meters. Your personal zone is just 1.5 meters. Nobody can step just intimate zone. Now, when I will give you an example, when you are in a lift, you get inside the lift. What happens? You're alone. Where will you stand in your lift? Inside the lift, where will you stand if you're all alone? Please, somebody could all answer. I would be happy if you all could answer me.
Comfort and free.
I'm sorry?
Comfort and free.
Okay. Now, if there are 2 people, what will you do?
Shy, ma'am.
So you'll be on to
Shy,
one
ma'am.
corner and the other person on the other corner, right?
Yes.
Now, if there are 4 people and only 5 people can climb in that lift, what will happen? Just imagine that scene and tell me what will happen. I'm sorry?
Consistable, ma'am.
So those 4 people, now, okay, before that, is it difficult? I don't want you all to answer me in only English. You all can talk to me in Tamil. I can understand. Ennoda Tamil, neenga keta, you all will laugh. So I don't want to talk. That is why I'm more comfortable in English. So,
okay.
You all want to answer, you all can answer me in Tamil. I am not going to do, I have no problem with that. Clear? Okay, come back. The lift, 5 people lift, 4 people are standing, 4 people will be standing in 4 zones, 4 corners. Correct? Because they don't come into that intimate zone. So that personal zone, they'll not. The moment they get crunched, we'll be like this. We'll all know what is our intimate zone. So that intimate zone. So whenever you are standing with people, lot of people, you need to be very careful. You don't go into their intimate zone. A personal zone is there. That is between your friends, your sisters, brothers, whatever it is. That is your personal zone. That can be occupied. But when you're social zone, you need to be a little away. Okay? Be clear of this. This is also needed to be taken care when you are meeting people. All this creates a first impression also. How is your handshake? I'm just wrapping it up like this. How is your handshake? Can anybody tell what a handshake can be? How a handshake should be? Handshake eppadi irukkanum?
The handshake should be more confident. With a film.
Just one shake, ma'am.
Okay. Anything else?
Yeah, handshake is like ma'am நீங்க வந்து இப்போ ஷோ பண்ற மாதிரி பட் it should be more
Oh,
sorry
yes.
confidence ஓட.
Okay. Absolutely. You need to be confident when you do a handshake. I'm going to show a few handshakes, and you all would have also been experienced that. This is called dead fish. The way you call it's a dead fish. Your hand is like this. Ah, the God. That's it. This is another handshake. Sweaty palms. Your palms are sweat, full of sweat. Some people have that sweaty palms, and without realizing, you shake. Never do that. Always wipe your hand before that. Always be careful. So you can't wipe it in front of people. So what you're going to do is your hanky is inside your pocket. So slip down your hand very fast inside your pocket. Just rub it on your hand, hanky or handkerchief, and then shake. So you don't give a wet or sweaty palm to them. This bone crusher, they catch. Some people very angry and then they just crush it out. That is what the next one is. Dominator. Like they are dominating. They hold that hand that I am the person who can dominate you, making the other person go down. This is Queen's handshake. That is how they take their hand and then they kiss, or they just handle it like this. Tickler. Tickler is nothing, but when they handshake with one finger, they just start tickling your palm. This is a shug. That is you shake and you hug on a side. That is one-sided. Handshakes. This is the right way to do that. So when you do that, there are a couple of 6 S's are there which you have to follow. Okay. So that is this. Stand, smile, slide a little bit. That is slide down your hand. Strength. That doesn't mean like you're going to crush that person's hand, but give a strength, a normal strength. Shake. And when you shake, you just shake it for 3 times. Speak and take your hand. Not more than 3 shakes. And it has to be very slight, light shake move. Clear? Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, the reason why I don't know what is happening is because none of them are in videos. And yes. So this is one thing which I wanted to do. How do I come out now? Okay. So now I come back so that I can talk to you all. So now you all have understood how it has to be done. So different way of dressing, the way you shake your hands, all these take a lot of, you need to perform there. So your body language does matter, the way you dress matters. So now you saw how you need to dress. So your appearance, your grooming, your accessories, your behavior is your action, how you respond to people, how you communicate. It can be non-verbal, verbal. Non-verbal, you all know. You know, do you all know what is your non-verbal communication?
Yeah, face
Yes,
reactions.
ma'am.
I'm sorry?
Face expressions.
Face expressions. Sometimes you will be standing, sitting over there and tapping your legs because you're very anxious. Sometimes you'll be just doing this. I don't know what to do this way. So you show your face anxious, your hands don't fidget, then your legs start tapping, then you start crossing your legs. You feel so, you'll just get up from one place and move around. These all are your facial expressions. Non-verbal communication. I'm sorry, not facial expression. The way you are showing your non-verbal communication. So you have to be very careful on your non-verbal communication also. So when you go over there, don't be anxious. Don't tap your hands. Don't tap your fingers. Don't tap your feet. Just be relaxed. What is going to happen? Even if you're going to be there, what will happen? More than you're going for an interview. What will happen? You have to take an interview. You have to face it. So there is a fear, correct? You all have a fear. Now what will happen? If I go for, will I get a job? If you don't get a job, it's okay. You have another opportunity. It is simple to think. You have to just give best by grooming yourself properly, talking properly and keeping your body language properly. That is, show confidence in your body language. The moment you show this anxiousness, your confidence goes down. Okay. So, as I said, fear. Fear is nothing but what? Do you want to forget and run away, or do you want to face and rise? That depends on you. It's forget everything and run, or face everything and rise. Which one would you choose?
Face everything and rise. No.
Yes.
Face everything and rise.
So now in your dictionary, fear is nothing but face everything and rise. Whatever comes, I am going to face it and I am going to rise from whatever I am. Clear? Okay? Yes or no?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
am talking, but nobody is doing anything.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ask yourself, how would you dress for a job interview? And how would your image differ in each situation? Think. So, when you're going, don't wear dark red colors, neon colors, yellow colors. Don't wear. Wear blue shades or gray color. For boys, I would suggest gray color, blue color shirts, black pants. For girls, when I'm asking y'all to go, y'all are wear whatever y'all are wearing, I would like y'all to wear a formal. Formal is known chudidar. I'm not asking about Western clothes. I'm talking about Indian clothes because I'm not sure how many of y'all are comfortable for Western clothes. So Indian clothes, when you're wearing, wear a collared top, a collared kurta or collared top. You have a formal pant, wear that because y'all are wearing churidar, so y'all are wearing jeans. I don't deny that. So a formal pant is also good enough. And when you wear that, see to it, don't put your flowers and go. Put minimal. There are studs. Have you all seen these air hostess, how they dress? Forget about the dress, but have you all seen they wear only small pearl earrings and a small chain, or it's a scarf what they cover up. So a small chain which you all wear and a stud. Don't wear danglers. Minimal as a bracelet and a watch for girls. Boys, make it as a full hand sleeves. Colors which I told you all. Comb your hair, groom yourself. Even if you all are growing beards, trim it out. Don't make a beard look very weird. Trim them. Nice black tan shoes, depending upon how you all know, wear those shoes and go accordingly. Your shoes has to be polished. It should not have a dust. Be 10 minutes to 15 minutes prior to your appointment time. That is very, very important. Indian standard time is always half an hour late. No. When you go for interview, at least be there 10 to 15 minutes prior. Will the flight wait for you? Will the train wait for you? It just leaves on time, correct? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes
ma'am.
or no?
Yes,
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you have to be always on time so that you are prepared. You don't be anxious because by the time you become late, you will not be able to even face the interview. Okay. So now, one more thing I would like to ask. Write down 3 words you would like to associate, okay, with yourself. What do you want people to remember about you after meeting you? Now
I'm
I'm
sorry
meeting
for the
you.
interruption.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I have another session of GD, ma'am. Can I leave from this meet?
Okay, fine. No worries. Sure.
Yes.
Yeah. But 1 minute before you go, please do write this 3 words that you want others to associate with them. I mean, with you. So what do you want people to remember about you after meeting you? Now, when I have met you, I will have 3 things in my mind. I will remember you in 3 couple of ways. Okay. What you want to create an impression with others. Okay. So you just write that, not now, but for yourself. Okay. Okay then. Bye. See you. Yes, and the remaining students. Can you all just write 3 words for yourself, which you want to associate with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next. I think impression took us a time. Now I'll start with the branding. So before I start with branding, let me just complete this. So knowing the impression you want to leave helps you to make intentional choice about your behavior, your attire, and how you communicate. Clear? So when you communicate with them, please be aware of your tone, the way you speak. You cannot speak fast. You cannot speak low. Your voice can't be, my name is Lavanya or my name is Sindhu. You cannot do that. You have to be bold enough to tell your name. You need to be proud of yourself to say, I am Sindhu. That's it. Okay? And be confident. You need to open your mouth and talk so that people can hear you. When you walk, walk straight. Clear? Walk straight, erect. See, when you go to take a photo, when the person is, when he's making you sit, what does he do? Please look like this. Please lift your chin. He does that? Does he do that? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, huh? No?
Yes, ma'am. No.
They do that, right? Because they want the photo to come little more better. That is why. So when you walk, when you sit, what you're going to do is, you cannot sit like this. Keep your chin little left up. And that is how you sit. Even if you're sitting for the, waiting for the turn to come, you need to be careful. You cannot spread your legs and sit. Be careful, you close your legs and sit. Don't cross. Don't slouch. Slouch is like this. Don't slouch. Be straight. Straight enough to stand. I mean, sit over there. When you walk, walk properly. Because these are all your body languages, which is going to tell that you're not confident. When you shake your hand, as I said, stand, smile. If you're standing, it's fine. Smile. Shake hands. Hello, my name is this, that. Shake 3 times, leave it. That's it. That is how you go ahead and do. What else? One more tip which I wanted to tell you all about your non-verbal language is 1 minute. Just go for it. This is basically why I'm telling you all is because you all are going for an interview now and you all need to be very careful on how you're going to face them. You need to face them, telling them about yourself. So don't be too much of casual or too formal. Do not, as I said, be careful. And the eye contacts. When you're looking into a person's eye, you look into that person's eye, but you don't stare like this, okay? No staring. It is just look into the eye and you're talking. When that person is telling, at least nod once. And prepare yourself. Just prepare, demonstrate, do anything you want before going for the interview. Practice it. Because that practice, the way you're talking, the way you're introducing, you write, don't read it, but you need to know what you're going to tell. So you need to be careful about that so that you speak over there when you go. Okay? Display a positive body language and your active listening. So active listening is what? When they talk to you, you need to just nod your head at least once so that you're listening to them. Clear? So before I finish off this, the summary is image management is about creating a consistent appearance, behavior, and communication, which will make a positive impression for them. You need to be aware of your body language. You need to choose your attires thoroughly, thoughtfully, and communicate clearly with respect. So image management is not about being fake. It is all about how you are intentionally, how you're going to present yourself so others understand the best version you are. Okay? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
I think y'all are all sleeping or I'm just going on talking. Y'all are not ready to answer and it's almost 8:15. Branding, who are the 15 students who are going to have an interview? Please put your hands up. Who else? Only 2 of them. Okay, so now I'm going to share one more screen and I want you all to tell me what that is. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, Lavanya, Vishal, Praveen, Ranjit, and who else? 3, Akshaya. Okay, Ranjit, Mahesh, Akash. Okay, Shweta. 2, 3, 6 of y'all are there. Okay, so now I'll just share one more thing and I want everybody to answer this, please. I'm going to show you some brand and please tell me what that is. Okay. Okay, now tell me what are these, could you all tell me what are these brands? They are the logos. So I would like you all to tell me what it is.
And first one is WB Warner Bros.
Okay.
And fourth one is Adidas, ma'am.
Okay.
In second row, second one Yamaha, ma'am.
Okay.
And I think third one is Mercedes, ma'am.
Third one.
Ma'am, in fourth column, the U symbol is for food. Yeah, like chips, chips and on the back side they printed the U symbol as a original like that.
Okay. This is what you told as Mercedes?
It's Renault, ma'am.
No, it's not.
It's Renault, I think.
No, this is Mitsubishi. I mean, whatever that.
Fourth row, third one, Nvidia.
This one.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
What
and
else?
Hyundai and Vodafone and Jaguar is also, ma'am.
This is Vodafone. Where is Hyundai? Okay, Hyundai. Who else?
And Wikipedia, third row, fourth one.
Okay. Third row, fourth one. Okay.
Ma'am, fifth row, last.
Fifth row.
Last one.
This is what? What is this?
Yeah, I think fifth row, first one is Vichala.
Unilever, ma'am.
Puma.
Puma. Okay. What is this? This you all should know. You all have not seen this?
It's actually some.
It's an ice cream brand. Okay. So this is BP Shell or BP's thing. Now I'll tell you what it is. So the first row is Warner Brothers. You all can see the screen. Are you all able to see the screen?
No.
No, ma'am.
One second. Okay. So the first one is Warner Brothers. Bros. This is Target. It's not a Indian brand. This is BP, British Petroleum, Adidas. This is AT&T, and this is MasterCard. The next one. Oh, okay. I've not come on now. I'm sorry. Why? I'm sorry with this here. Okay. This is Warner Bros, Target, British Petroleum, Adidas, AT&T, and MasterCard. Okay. This is Barclays, Yamaha, Mitsubishi, Ericsson, T-Mobile, and Chanel. Chanel, there is a perfume company. There are a lot of products from there. This is called as Delta, Hyundai, Ford, Wikipedia, Vodafone, and Lufthansa. This is Bank of America, Michelin, Nvidia, HSBC, Dolby, British Airways. This is United Airlines, Unilever, Kia, Peugeot, Athena, Baskin Robbins, and Puma. This is MB. It's from Brazil or something. Qatar Airways, Rolex, ING, Travelers, and Pan Am. So now we see these brands. What happens? We know them, right? When we see the brands. Hi, Alsmat. Came back.
Yes, ma'am. Due to some low participation, they ended the meeting.
Okay. So they also wanted you to come and attend this. Okay. So yeah. So these are the brands. So now we understand why brands are important. So I'll wrap this up fast. Brands are important because it gives you a unique identity and a personality. So same way you are your brand. Like I said, creating a first impression, you need to also create a brand for yourself. Okay. So just as a person's name, I'm sorry, yeah. Somebody is talking. Yes, Vishal, you want to say something?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So yeah. So each person has a name. As your name is completely different, you have your own qualities, you have your own style, you have your own characteristics. So you are brand for yourself. How you are going to brand yourself? Now tell me, what is the difference between Knorr soup and Maggie soup? Which one would you prefer, Maggie or Knorr?
Knorr soup.
Okay. Now milk dairy is there. Then what else chocolates are there? Please. Okay, a lot of biscuits are there. Parle G, Tiger, Milk Bikkie, lot of biscuits. So which brand do you prefer?
Bourbon.
I'm sorry?
Bourbon.
Okay. So
It is not the list, but I will prefer that.
yeah, there is a lot of things are there. So what I'm trying to say, each brand has its own qualities, its own style, its own characteristics, correct? So same way, you have to be your brand. How you are going to sell yourself? Why the simple questions are there? Why the company has to hire you? What is the best in you? Alsmat, Akshaya, Kavita, Praveena are going for the same position, same cost. You all have the same education. You all are going there. Now, your four, what is difference between each four? From four, only they need one person. So you need to create yourself the best. You need to create the best impression for them. So you need to brand yourself. Why you need to brand yourself? You need to be very careful in that. Okay. So, as I said, all these brands have their names. They have created a brand for themselves. We recognize them. So, it's called as CABS. You need to create a trust. CABS is creating trust, attracting people, build loyalty, and set you apart. That's called as CABS. So creating a trust. They need to trust you. You're going first time. They need to trust you. Will they trust you the first time? Nobody is going to trust you. But to make you trust, And to make you take into the company, you will have to place what is the best of yours. What is the generic reason that they have to hire you? So create that trust. And if they hire you, you have to be true to all your words. Then is attracting people, strong. Brands creating is attracting people. So branding is again how you're going to attract that person. That is your first impression, is how you attract, how you create your confidence, how you dress, how you communicate with people, how confidently you are communicating with people. That is how you attract people. Then is building loyalty. Over time, loyalty comes only when you are inside that. So till then, building loyalty is a little, 1 second. Sorry to interrupt. Okay, no problem. Sure. So you need to be very careful how you brand yourself. Okay. And it's like you choosing a friend or favorite teacher. Why will you choose your favorite teacher? Because you like the way she presents, the way she communicates with you. A lot of things happen, right? So that it is the same way how you have to create yourself a brand for yourself. You need to be apart from Akshaya. Alsmat has to be different from Akshaya. Akshaya will be different from Kavita and Alsmat. So how you create your brand. So you have to be very careful how you're going to brand yourself. Your brand is Alsmat. How good you are, how confident you can speak. All these are your ideas which is going to reflect. Clear? So that's all what I can tell right now. I was supposed to give you all some tips on interview skills, how you have to go and talk. In these, I have done for you all. I hope this session might have brought some qualities for you, or I would say is some information which would have been needed for you. This could help you how you can create your first impression. Please, all the best. And I hope you all will have a good dressing way you create your impression, be authentic, and show your body language with confidence and talk very confidently. The moment you show your confidence, you can also talk confidently. Just relax yourself, breathe in, breathe out before you start, enter that place, and you will beat it. Okay? All the best. Thank you for this opportunity. Looking forward for hearing that you all have been placed in the organization.